Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Phonics. I am Apurva and I am going to take you to the episode number 4. In the last episode, we have completed long vowel sounds in which we have started with the sound of A, the vowel A, long A. We have completed A consonant E, A I. So in A, it's saying d, A, ta, data. A consonant E, k, A, k, cake. And AI says A as in r, A, rain, like this. Okay, so now we are going to continue with the next one. Okay, so the next one is AY. So AY is going to say A as in A, play. Number 2, A, day. And the third word we are going to see, that is away. A, away. Number 4th is going to be tray. A, tray. Number 5 is going to be, we'll take a simple one, that is relay. Relay. Okay, so here YE is saying its name. Now, most of you must have guessed it right. That is E, it's a vowel, and vowel is saying its name here. All right. Next one is EI. EI, again, here is going to say A, as in Vain. Okay, so EI has two sounds, but first we're going to see now A. All right, so that sound is A. So here again, with this you can teach your children. I'm going to tell you the stories as well for these, for all of these. Okay, so EI is going to say A as in rain. All right, next one, number 3 is beige. Now why G is saying J and not G, we are going to cover it in another session. That is beige. Okay, number 4th is going to be reindeer. All right, number 5 we're going to have is HEIR. So now here H is silent, so air. All right, so now about the stories I was telling you earlier. Here we have discussed that how AI, they were fighting, and I says I will zip it and lock it and keep the key in a pocket, and A says the name. Next, AY. Next, next, AY is there. So when AY are there, they are also fighting. And guess who wins? Y. अरे यार मम्मी. Next, AY is there. Alright, so in AY again, both of them were fighting, and Y says, I will zip it, lock it, and keep the key in my pocket, and you say your name. So A says, fine, I will say my name, and hence it says A. Now in EI, neither of them is A, right? So how are you going to tell your child that who is saying whose name? All right, here is the trick. So E and I, they were fighting. I says, it's okay. Let's not fight. We are friends. And you say your name, and I will zip it, lock it, and keep the key in my pocket. But here comes the twist. E says, that is nice, but I don't want to say my name. Instead, I want to say my sound, that is eh. E says eh. Okay, So this is how you tell your children so that they remember. All right, so here again it's going to say A. Now next we are going to see which one is, that is EIGH. All right, so EIGH is going to say A. All right, here also you're going to tell the same story, that all these letters, four of the letters, they were fighting, and IGH say that we will zip it, lock it, and keep the key in the pocket. And E, you say your name. So E says again the same thing, that I want to say my sound, that is A. All right, so he says the sound. Okay, so EIGH is going to say A as in eight, eight. All right, number two we're going to see is A, neigh, as in the sound that a horse makes. Number three, we are going to see, that is v, a, as in way, way. Number four will be sl, a, that is sleigh. And number five is going to be n, a, b, neighbor. All right, so this is how you are going to tell them what's the story behind EIGH. All right, so again we have completed. Video is going to be a little longer, so I will try my best to cover it quickly as possible. So next one we're going to see is EA, that is again it's going to say A. So now both the letters were fighting again, and this times E says that since I have said my sound so many times, this time I want you to say whatever you want to say. So A says, okay, I will say my name, and E zips it and lock and keeps it in his pocket. So number one, E, EA is going to say A as in br, a, break. Number two, gr, a, great. So these blendings we are gonna learn in some other video. I'm gonna do another video for all the consonant blendings. They will be covering them. Number three we have is t, a, tear. Number four, a, pair. And number five we have is b, a, bear. All right, okay, so the last one is EY, and again both of them were fighting, and here Y says it's okay, I don't want to say anything, you say your name. And again E says it's okay, I don't want to say my name, instead I will say my sound, that is A. So EY says A as in the, a, they. Number two is s, r, a, survey. Number three is o, b, a, obey. Now o here is saying its name, right? Number four is a, hey. And I want you all to tell me one word for number five that is going to have the a sound with EY. So comment down the answer below. Alright, so this was the series fourth episode, and we have covered the long vowel sounds of the letter of the vowel A, and these are the sounds: A consonant, E, A-I, A-Y, E-I, E-I-G-H, E-A, and EY. Whenever these letters come together, you are going to call them A, long A, because they are the long sounds of the vowel A. Alright, so I hope you have understood what I have explained you in this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.